Start. The Planning Commission, as far back as April 1962, nearly 3 years ago, emphasized the need to make a thorough investigation into this question of developing agro industries and not merely make an investigation but also suggest various measures which should be undertaken immediately for the purpose of developing our rural industries and our rural economy based on agriculture, so that the acute problem on unemployment and underemployment in our rural areas may be fairly and effectively tackled. Therefore, the Planning Commission appointed a committee called the Rural Industry Planning Committee in April 1962. It was a very high-power committee consisting of the Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission and the Ministers of Commerce and Industry and Community Development and the members of the Planning Commission dealing with agriculture and industry. This Rural Industry Planning Committee immediately set up a standing committee for the purpose of keeping continuous vigilance on the development of our rural industry and for the purpose of giving continuous guidance also to the Planning Commission. For this purpose, this standing committee considered the entire approach to the adopted, and they formulate a scheme for the projects for intensive development of village and small scale industry in the rural areas. I think it is a very remarkable study and survey of the entire problem, and I would, if the honorable members so desire, make this scheme of the Standing Committee of the Rural Industry Planning Committee available to them. It deals with the subject from the point of view of objectives. First of all, our objective is to build a viable rural economy in which not only agriculture and irrigation are to be developed, but along with that a whole setup of industry complex based upon our agriculture, based upon our rural condition would be developed, and they would be not merely of the stereotyped pattern of khadi and ambar charkha and so on, but of a diversified pattern for the purpose of producing a viable economy in the village, so that in vast parts of the country, even where agriculture is fairly efficient, where we have a large number of unemployed persons, agriculturist and also non-agriculturist could be given full-time employment. The whole objective is to produce this type of economy which will contribute towards solving this acute problem of unemployment